An equilateral triangle with an area of 16 root 3 centimeters squared has lengths of value x, which we need to find. To begin with, we want to see what the formula of the area of a triangle looks like. And so the formula for the area is given by the base multiplied by the height divided by 2. Well, we do have a base over here, but we do not have the height. We need to find the height. And so the height of the triangle is this dotted line over here, which can only be found by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we can find h by using this triangle over here, because this triangle has a right angled here. So we'll name this triangle as A, B, and C. And the Pythagoras theorem says that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. If we're looking for a, which is going to be h, we need to rearrange this and say that a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. And a itself will therefore be the root of c squared minus b squared. So this is going to be our formula. So now I can start substituting the values in here and say that a is h, and therefore the root of, and c will be x squared, and b is, and now here's the bit that I don't like, because I'm going to have to use a half x all squared. So I'm going to stop this right now, because I feel that it would be easier for me if I made this length 2x and this length 2x and this length also 2x. That would not change anything for me, but it will make things easier for me. So let's start again. My h value therefore now is going to be the root of, but this time c is going to be 2x all squared, and the b value is just going to be x. I don't have any fractions anymore. I prefer that. Not that the other way was wrong, but I just prefer doing it this way. So now I will just say that that is 4x squared minus x squared. So you can see that if I say 4x squared minus x squared, that will only leave me with 3x squared. So my h is now 3x squared. Not a particularly nice number, but what I can do with it is I can say that it is root 3 times root x squared. And we know that we can find the root of x squared by saying that this is just times x. And it's nicer if we wrote root 3x. Now this is the value of h. This is the value that we were looking for here. And we know that the base is just 2x. So we can now find the area. The area therefore is going to be 2x times root 3x over 2. It's clear from here that I can cancel the 2 out, and all I have is root 3x squared. To find the value of x, we must go and look all the way at the beginning, where we were given that the area is equal to 16 root 3 centimeters squared. So let's just equate that. 16 root 3 is equal to root 3 x squared. Now both sides have root 3, which means that we can cancel this root 3 and this root 3. So all we have at this moment is that 16 is equal to x squared. That means that x must be equal to 4. Now I know that you might say -4 and 4, but these are lengths and we are not interested in negative values. So if x is equal to 4, now we've changed our lengths to 2x, so therefore the length of that each side is 2x is equal to 8. In that case, each side is equal to 8. I'll write down that is equal to 8, and this is equal to 8, and also this is equal to 8. And remember, this is centimeters. I should put centimeters in that case in both all sides. And this is a typical question for Mathematics Year 10.